Good morning. My name is Radhika and I'm from Cupertino. We do stick to our current bank because of loyalty, etc. But we think twice before we do an ATM transaction. So we're all supportive of the fact that we should not be charging the end consumer, especially for the services that we get today. You know, you never get to talk to a teller. You always have to be on the phone. So I think the customer is never comes first, and we just taken for granted. So I think we have to think about it, and I think it's a good cause, and I really think that in today's economy, with the way things are, I think we have to think about twice before we pay $5 for our own money. Thank you.
All right. So my name's Christian Mackey from San Francisco, California, and I wasn't actually aware of Bank Transfer Day. But I have heard a lot about the transferring of money to more, credit unions and community-based banks. And as a matter of fact, I recently read a report about how Bank of America would time overdrafts in order to, create the most fees to their customer accounts. So I think there really is a disconnect between what the bank's mission is and how they're, gutting people's accounts through fees and nickel and diming people. So I'm not sure what the solution is. It seems like potentially banks need to start thinking about who the customer is and getting those more in line. So that's about it. So there we are. Bank Transfer Day, hit it. So that's it.
Okay, my name's Cory Mendoza. I'm from San Francisco. I feel that people should switch from their banks mostly just because they're being scammed. Every little thing that you do with the banks is somebody wanting money from you. I know I've had 2 overdrawn fees for something that wasn't even my fault, but the bank won't give me back my money because it's my problem, not theirs. So switching to a credit union, I feel you have more protection. Not only that, but if the banks just up and disappear again, like the bailout, you'll definitely have more protection from the credit union.
That's ridiculous. If they're going to start charging for just drawing out from an ATM, I always go to my bank because they don't charge me when I go to my bank. Of course, if you go to another bank, they do charge. But yeah, I'm definitely looking to switching to credit union or another option.
My name is Damien Miller, and I'm from Los Gatos, California. I actually do business at both a credit union and a major bank, and I'm happy with both relationships. I think the fundamental difference is that people want to fault other people for what's going on at a bank level. However, banks are owned by shareholders. They're not owned by one single person. And the same is true with community credit unions. I happen to do business with both because I feel that's the best opportunity for me to acquire a good return on my investments from either institution. It gives me a little bit of personal competitive advantage.